Hello. Are you confused while selecting wash basins? What are the types of basins, and how do I buy them online? Well, then you are watching the right video. We will help you out with it. There are 5 different types of wash basins available. Number 1 is tabletop or countertop wash basins, which has to be placed on a table or counter. The best thing about this type of basin is we have a wide range variety of designs in the tabletop wash basins, and which gives luxury looks. Number 2 is wall-hung or wall-mounted wash basins, which has to be hanged or mounted on the wall with the rack bolts. A simple wall-mounted basin is one that is fixed directly to the wall without needing it to sit in or on a tabletop. It looks streamlined and gives a minimalist feeling to the room that it's in. Therefore, it is ideal for smaller bathrooms. Number 3 is semi-pedestal wash basins. A semi-pedestal wall-mounted basin have a wide hollow area below it to cover waste pipes and pluming fixtures, and also leaves more visible floor area, making the room feel bigger. In order for a wall-mounted basin to work in your space, all the plumbing, including the waste, must be positioned inside the basin's pedestal area in order to have a clean look. Number 4 is pedestal wash basin or freestanding wash basin. It has just to be placed on the floor and has to fix with the mounting screws provided with the basin. A pedestal basin is also aesthetically pleasing and perfect if you want to add a classical vibe to your bathroom. Number 5 is undercounter wash basin or semi-undercounter wash basin. An undermount basin is one that sits underneath the countertop. This style creates a very seamless, clean look, as less of the actual basin is visible. Shop now at www.inart.co.in. Thank you.